gumandtoothcare.com. Small sticks and leaves, burnt ox hooves, twigs, wild boar hair and chalk. These have all been used in the past to help clean our teeth. But if you look on the side of your tube of toothpaste today, you will not find any of these contents. Have a look at our latest article, How Did People Clean Their Teeth in the Past?, where we discuss and look at the cleaning of your teeth, the history. Thank you for looking, and we do hope you'll have a look at our latest article, which is How Did People Clean Their Teeth in the Past?, on our site gumandtoothcare.com.